Hello friends, welcome to session 2 for C language. Last time you were given an introduction to this language and today we'll do a simple program using C. So here's the code, hash include stdio.h. This header file will be used for printf function, then hash include conio.h. This header file will be used for clr scr function and getch function, then void main, clr scr function, int a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2, c is equals to a plus b, printf the sum of percentage d and percentage d is percentage d, then a comma b comma c, get ch, and the program is over. What this program does is it adds two integers which are predefined and stores the sum in another variable. So this is a very simple program. So here's the explanation. If you can recall the previous session, then you would remember that hash include command includes a header file. So here we are using two header files, that is stdio.h, which facilitates the printf function, and then conio.h, which is used for clr scr function and getch function. So first we have included all the header files which may be needed in the program, and then we have declared the main statement. Inside main statement, that is inside main function, the first command is clr scr. Okay, now clr scr is used to clear the screen before the program begins. That is, you'll get a clear screen before your output comes. Now this is very important because you don't need your output to look cumbersome. Now you must know that in C there are three fundamental data types. As the name suggests, a data type defines the type of data a variable will store. The following are the fundamental data types. Char, that is the variable which are declared as char will be storing a character and it allocates 1 bit of memory to that variable. Then int, that is integer type, which takes 2 bit of memory, and then float, that is a decimal type, which takes 4 bit of memory. So here we are adding two integer type variables, that is a and b, with predefined values, that is 3 and 2, and are storing their sum in another variable c. So now come to the printf function. I hope you all can see the percentage d signs which I have used. So the syntax is followed as it is, that is printf, then quotes. In quotes you write the text along with percentage d signs and all the signs which are used, then comma, variable names in order. Okay, so you can see the percentage d signs. So why have I used these percentage d signs? Okay, you must know that to print the value of a particular type of variable, that is int, char or float, the compiler needs to know where it has to be inserted and what has to be inserted. For int, you use percentage d, that is where you have used percentage d, an integer type variable will be inserted, percentage s if you are going to insert a character type variable, and percentage f if you are going to insert a float type variable. So by using percentage d, you first tell the compiler that it's an integer which the compiler has to insert, and then wherever you place percentage d is where the compiler has to insert an integer value. Now you can see that after the double quotes, I've typed the name of the variables, and the order in which I've typed the name of the variables is how they will be inserted. Like since I've defined a first, then value of variable a will be inserted in the first percentage d, that is it will be the sum of 3, and then b will be inserted and then c. So the output becomes the sum of 3 and 2 is 5. So this is the output which you are going to get. So you have to take care of one thing though, that you do not type a float variable or any other type of variable in place where you have typed percentage d or percentage s or percentage f. It means that you don't have to mismatch the type of variables with the type of sign you are using. Otherwise you will get an error. Okay, so at last I have used the command getch. Now getch actually means get character. So as you have seen in the previous program, after you run the program, the window just flashes and goes. It doesn't stays there. So by using getch, my program will not exit automatically after showing the output. It will first stay there and it will wait till I enter some character. And when I press enter or any other character, the program will then exit. So let's see the output, friends. First I compile the program. You can see there are no errors. Then I'll be running it. So the output is the sum of 3 and 2 is 5. Okay, now let me show you one thing. What if I don't use CLR SCR? Okay, I'm removing this function. Then I'll compile this again and I'll run it. So you see the difference? You're getting the sum of 3 and 2 is 5, and then again the sum of 3 and 2 is 5. That is, it is showing you the new output along with the previous output. So that has to be cleared off, and that is why we are using CLR SCR. Thank you friends. This was all for today.